Yeah, guys, we're going to show you how to change your toner cartridges in your HP. This is the HP Laser Jet. It's not a laser jet, it's a laser. Let me show you. HP Color Laser MFP 179 FNW. Okay, it's very simple to do so. Let me try to shift. I want to take out, I want to clean this place and take this other machine this side. So it has 4 cartridges. So you come and open here. Okay, you can see each cartridge, they show you the color. Yellow is the first one, magenta second, cyan third, K stands for black. Okay, so whichever you want to take out. Let me say I want to take out this. I just use this guy. You see, hold here. See here? Then you pull out. Then it takes out this. Then maybe you go bring your new black. Then you put in and push in that. Is the black is in right now. So now we want to change yellow. Yellow is up here. You just hold. You see this guy? Pull him just to pull out gently. Then you take this guy out. Give me the yellow there. Okay, that's fine. Give the yellow here. Then put in the yellow. Pushing. Just a pushing, a little pushing. Then magenta, bring magenta. Okay, wait. Then you come pull this guy out. It comes out gently. Give me that. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, they give you that magenta. Then you put in magenta. Okay, cyan, do you have your cyan there? Okay, wait a minute, guys. Wait a bit. Okay, sure, that's good. Okay, put it here. Let me take out this. So you can sometimes you can hold here and hold here when you have 2 hands, like me. I'm using one for camera, but still it works well. Yeah, you just have to be careful. Then you take out Mr. Oh, I'm taking out black again. I'm sorry. Okay, take out who? Cyan. Okay, yeah, cyan. Okay, bring cyan there. See cyan, yeah. With cyan. Okay, give you cyan. Okay, so yeah. Okay, that's after that you can close. Yeah, everything is fine. But these machines sometimes they have some problems whereby you can find ink is all over spilled on the paper whenever you make a copy. That sometimes becomes an issue whereby you can't get a clear copy, so that you might need to look into your what they call belt, transfer belt. So it has a transfer belt. You can take it out and also try to do a clean up on it. So after that, maybe it can become fine. Sometimes it could be the cartridges themselves. You buy maybe different cartridges, then try to blow to suck that ink inside, toner powder inside, then you can reuse your machine. So that's the issue which I've seen on this kind of machine. I wish I can get something for you to see. Could get something. No, not this one. Yeah, anyway, that's what I wanted to tell you about. That's the way to put in your stuff, your new toners into this kind of machine. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. If you got any what they call questions, then you can ask. So yeah.